Welcome to this Windows Computer and Technology channel, and Edge 116 has rolled out finally on August the 21st, yesterday. So Edge 116 is the latest version of Microsoft Edge browser, always following in the footsteps of the Google Chrome browser in version number pretty much. So what does Edge 116 have new? Well, first of all, you can check if you have the latest version with the three horizontal dots on the upper right. Go in and help and feedback. And about Microsoft Edge, you should be moved to version 116.0.1938.54 as of today, August the 22nd. This new version contains two features. One is if you're a business user, and you want to have it, there's the increased security that comes with Edge for Business. That's available only for certain versions of Windows, like the enterprise version. Edge for Business is going to be more secure, apparently, than the regular version of Edge, and has several other features. One thing also is if you use the Edge sidebar here, well, there's a policy that you can turn on which makes this sidebar permanent on the Windows desktop. That reminds me of a good old, sidebar from Internet Explorer a long time ago that we always turned off. So, when things change, they don't really change that much. So, anyways, there's a possibility to have the sidebar always visible, which gives you quick access to whatever you want to add here as web pages or as different services and software like Office and so on. So these are the two main features. Now there's a lot of security updates. They have the Chromium security updates. We told you about them in Google Chrome. They apply for Microsoft Edge. So even if you don't care about new features, just the fact that there's security updates, you should update. Even if you don't use Edge, I recommend that you update anyway, because you never know, thanks to Microsoft, when a link or something might actually bring up Edge rather than your favorite browser. Now, there's two specific Edge security updates also in here, because depending on how it's constructed, each browser can have its own specific security updates. They are low severity, so they're not that important, but they're going to be fixed at the same time as the Chromium security updates. And in the Chromium security updates, there are several high severity security flaws, so it's very important to fix that. So check it out. Microsoft Edge 116 is now available for download. And even if you don't care about the new features, at least for the security updates, go and get it. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.